Today we're going to transform this bench into this. So I pick up a set of bench like this. They were welded to the wall, so they've been cut off. So as you can see, this is not the greatest, all rusty, bits of metal everywhere, and a missing leg. So the plan is cutting it straight here, adding a leg, make some drawers, sand the top, make it smooth again. Let's get into it. I got to this point, finish it off, and now start cleaning all the steel, making it nice and smooth. Now we can start with framing. So after 1 hour of grinding, the bench is fully disassembled. Now I'm just gonna start cleaning all the bits of metal like this with the grinding disc. That's the cutoff of the bench. That's the bench, 1.20 meters. So I've done all my pre-cutting. These three are the one for the front legs, those three for the two thinner legs, those 6 are the 3 and 3 for each side, and these 2 are the 2 rear legs. Bit of a mess. So I put all the materials down. Now I'm gonna start making some spot weld. So it's all tucked in at the moment. I'm just gonna put the crossbar on the bottom. So I've run out of wire for the welder. I want to get some. finished to welding everything up. Now we just have to clean it with a grinder and we put some paint on. I grinded off all the edges. Now it's ready for paint. So it is fully painted. Now I'm going to start sanding the bench top. Flip the bench top and weld it on the frame. Fit perfectly in there. It's time to make some drawers. I accidentally cut the bin. Don't use the bin as a bench. Base for the left drawer, and this is the base for the right drawer. Cut all the pieces. This will be cut here. This is it for today. This is the bench. As you can see, I already filled it with stuff. Last weekend I've made this bench. This has got 3 drawers instead of 2. I haven't made the drawers for this one yet, but it's the same process for making it. This was just as bad. I had 2 missing legs. I just stripped it just like I did this one. I've got a few more DIY to come. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.